Hey guys, this is Diana over at Crafting Parties. I've had some people ask me how I do the templates to make these faces that I put on my goodie bags. So I'm just going to explain really quickly the way I do them. So if you guys want to make your own. So usually what I do is I just take a picture that I like and I print it. And I make it the size that I want it. And then what I do is I usually print more than one, just because some of them I need to cut out a piece and it ruins another part of the image. So I just print a lot of them. Okay, so for like this one, I print one of these and I use it as an outline. You see how I left the white part? That's for the black part on this one. You see how this one has a black outline? I don't know if you could see it on here. So that's why I make it a little bigger, the white area, just so it can have the black part on this one. Okay, and then I cut out the pieces for the hair. In this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and here they are. So this piece would be this piece, and then this piece is this piece. Here we go. And the last one is this one. Okay, and then from another image, or if this one was left intact, the one that I used for the hair, I would cut out the face, and then I cut out the eyebrow area, the mouth area, the eye area, the ear area. You could see it better from the back. So that would be the face. And then I cut the different pieces for the mouth, the tongue, the eyes, and the bows. And here I have them right here. Hold on. Okay, so this would be the bows. 2 little pieces. And then the eyes. And the mouth. And the tongue. And yeah, I know some of these pieces are really tiny, so sometimes when I have to trace them, it can be a little tricky. So here I've traced the tongue. I don't know if you could see that. And this is the mouth. And this is the other piece for the mouth. And then I did the bows. And I think I have, well, I did the face already, but I already cut it. And then this is some of the hair. And I used to trace it with something sharp like this. Well, I usually do trace with something sharp like this. But these, because it has a lot of round edges and stuff like that, that needs more detail, I'm using one of these pencils, the ones where you just like click on here and then you get the little lead. So that marks it really good, and I'm able to cut it fairly easily. So once you trace all your pieces, all you do is just use a knife. I use this kind of knife and just cut your pieces. I recommend you cut all your pieces first and then start gluing everything together. Now, because I use these very often for more than one client, I usually laminate them, as you can see, front and back, just so when you trace them, they don't get damaged. So that's how I do these, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. and leave me your comments down at the bottom. I'll be more than glad to answer any doubts you may have, or if you need any further assistance with these, let me know. Been a pleasure talking to you guys. Bye.